Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidi and I'm gonna be showing you how I make this delicious Nigerian soup. This soup is called Bitterleaf soup and I'm sure you are going to love it. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. This version is actually from Eastern Nigeria. I hope you get to try it, all about it. We're going to be needing dried fish, pounded cocoyam, some washed bitter leaf, and several other ingredients. I'm going to be using beef for this soup, and this is my favorite ingredients. Go ahead and wash and add the dried fish to the meat. Season with just salt and start cooking with water alone. Trust me, you don't need seasoning cube for this soup, but you can actually add one if you like. So set the meat on heat and let the meat boil for 40 to 50 minutes. You just want it to be tender, easy to chew. I'm sure you can actually taste one. I'm not gonna judge you. Yes. So once the meat is tender, add water to cover the meat completely. I think you need about 8 to 9 cups of water. So go ahead and add your palm oil followed by ground crayfish. Cover your pots and let the soup boil for the next 10. Now go ahead and add the pounded cocoyam. Add a small portion so it can easily dissolve and thicken the soup. After adding the cocoyam, cover the pot and allow the soup to boil and thicken. 7 minutes later and your soup is almost ready. So at this point we add the ogiri. Adjust your ingredients to your taste. You can add salt, pepper, you can even add an extra seasoning cube. I didn't use that for this soup, but you can add one if you like. Stir a bit more. Add your pepper. So we're gonna let this soup boil and thicken a little more. I want it not too thick, not too watery. I just need that very fine, perfect consistency. Go ahead and add your washed bitter leaf, another 5 minutes, and you can serve this soup. You can serve your soup with any swallow. You can use pounded yam, fufu, gari, which is ever. You can use semo, washing kapa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be dropping new videos every Tuesday. Every Tuesday. Don't miss it. Thank you. Have a lovely day.